Good morning, everyone. My name is Mysherri. I am your tax GPS helping you to navigate through taxes. So today we're going to be talking about, are your tickets and your moving violations deductible? Okay, so drum roll please. They are not. Okay, so moving violations and civic infractions and civil infractions basically are parking tickets, failure to keep your vehicle properly maintained. If you get a ticket for that, that is not deductible. Now, I want to urge you, what is deductible though? So even though the tickets that you receive is not deductible, you are still able to deduct your legal fees and your court costs. So say if, for example, if your license got suspended and you had to get them reinstated, the fees associated with the process are not deductible. But if you had to pay a lawyer, or you had to pay a lawyer some fees or the court costs, you can deduct those things. So not the ticket, but the fees, not the fees, I'm sorry, the costs associated, like court costs and attorney costs, those are tax deductibles. The tickets that you receive, the moving violations that you receive for that's a ticket, that is not deductible. I had a client before where he kind of got down and out because I was like, okay, you can't deduct any of these your tickets, and he had got quite a few tickets. But after doing some research and carefully shuffling through what his expenses were, he noticed that, okay, we can still deduct. We're still able to deduct his attorney's fees, and his attorney fees were over $2,000. So we were able to find him over $2,000 and save him that on his taxes, lower his tax liability and save him over $2,000 on his taxes. So I want you guys to not necessarily be discouraged about not being able to claim your tickets or your movement violations. But if you have some costs associated with it, your court costs, you hired an attorney, those things, however, are deductible. So just to recap on everything, parking tickets and moving violations are not deductible. If you have a ticket, if you've received a ticket for your DOT inspection or something like that, those are not deductible. Court costs associated with it to help you to get it back, those are deductible. If you've paid an attorney to go and act on your behalf, that is deductible. But the actual ticket and those things are not. So I just want you guys to know the difference between the two. And with the tax season coming, and it's right around the corner, I want you guys to start getting your tax deductions where they need to be. So for now, that is it. That's all I have. Thanks for joining me. My name is Mysherri. I am your tax GPS, helping you to navigate your way through taxes. Okay, so if you guys are having trouble with, well, tax deductions, if you're needing some help with tax deductions, you can always give me a call. I offer free 15-minute consultations where we can just to see where your company is at, where it stands, and see if I can be a resource to you, or if I know of any resources that are out there for you. So feel free to reach out to me and set up an appointment. Until next time,